Hi and welcome back to 3D printed soup. Now I get a lot of people asking me, why 3D print things? For example, a friend of mine just went out and bought a 3D printer. First thing he printed was a benchy and a whistle. And yeah, a working whistle and a benchy, kind of things you print first time. But his wife immediately asked him, what's the point? Are we going into the Christmas cracker business? Why are you printing these bits of plastic crap? And she's got a point. So, today I have gone out and I have printed 3 or 4 practical 3D prints. And these are things you can print now to make your home life better while you're in lockdown. So here are a few practical 3D prints that have some practical applications in the home. Let's see how this went.
Perfect.
Okay, so with those few prints, I think it proved that 3D printing can be practical. It doesn't just have to be you printing off miniatures and little chibis and just useless crap like that, which is wonderful, but not really what you call practical. So, go on to Thingiverse, find some more of those. Print out some stuff which you can actually use around the house. Hooks, hangers, door stops, picture frames, anything that you can think of to make your life better. And make 3D printing a practical part of your life and not just a fun, artistic part. Thanks for watching 3D Printed Soup. I try and upload 1 video a week, but say in these uncertain times I'm uploading them fairly sporadically, so like, subscribe and click the notification button around there somewhere so you know when I update my next video. And do subscribe because it really helps me with the channel. So thanks for watching and stay safe.
Perfect.